Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are back in Teardown, as you can see. And in today's video we are going to be attempting to destroy Sonic. As you can see, this is going to be a hard one, and Sonic is actually looking pretty hard to defeat today. He's got his super fast boots on. He may run away if he doesn't want us to, I guess, destroy him. But anyway, let's get into it. Before I start though, please like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Okay, so I think we need to, let's just start off with a big truck, shall I say. Let's try and at least take a chunk out of Sonic. It would do a big help. Oh, that is good. That is, wait, we already taken down? Guys, I think we literally already took Sonic down. Yeah, how quick did that? That took about 5 seconds. How about we restart this and try it again, because I think that was a bit easy. How about we not use a truck straight away, because it didn't work out great. Anyway, how about we need to probably use weaker cars then, if that truck just completely took Sonic out in its first hit. So, oopsies, I'm such a bad driver. No wonder I haven't got my driving license. Yes, we went straight through him. Man, this Sonic is weak. Jeez, I feel like this is going to be so easy to destroy. We've already destroyed him. How about we use one of these over here? Surely this can't do any damage at all. Like, aren't these like the weakest things in the game? Obviously not. Okay, this Sonic seems pretty weak. I mean, I'm literally inside Sonic. Not sure how I feel about this. But I'm out of the top of Sonic. But there's still quite a bit more to defeat of Sonic. So, is there any more? How about I can spawn in a vehicle? What vehicles do we have? Do we have any in here? We have trucks. Do we have anything? I'm not sure if we have much. Do we have just like a really small? Not that. But I don't know. Can we spawn anything in? How about we just use all of the stuff is gonna have? How about one of these? The turret. Oh, that is a strong turret. How about I take the? How about I take the end of this, because I don't need the turret with it. Just need this. Oopsies. Surely, as I was saying, this can't do any damage at all. I mean, it's the smallest thing ever. Let's see. Again, apparently not. It does quite a lot of damage. Anyway, I think we should do one big one to see if it does take down. Okay. Oh no. It's magic. It's magic. No. Alright, it's took him down, surely. We've almost destroyed Sonic. So close to being destroyed. I think we did it. No, we didn't. Sonic is in a bit of an awkward position. How about we just bandage him back together? Don't worry, Sonic, you will stay here. Don't worry. I kind of think Sonic maybe not feeding well. Oh gosh, this buggy's still stuck in there. I'm trying to stick him in here. Hopefully. No, it's tipping. It's tipping. Stay. This thing has to stay on here. Come on, surely. Please don't fall now. I have to keep it here. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna have to use like the weakest car in the game, which is probably this. I'm sure. Oh no, it fell. It's gone. Completely gone. Oh, look at that thing fly. That thing is gone. I think we technically beat him. Yeah, we beat Sonic. And how about... Never mind. Let's try that again. Right, Sonic, just please stop falling apart. How about we try and hit Sonic? This might be hard, but we'll try. For our last hit of the day. Oh no, I jumped out the car. Let's throw this car at Sonic, and how about, before I end the video, we use a tank and try and take Sonic down in one hit. And if we do, you have to give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get this last tank. Where's the tank? If I can find it here. The last vehicle of the day. And then it will be the end of today's video. And let's go. Come on, take him down. Oh, we went through his head. Is he gone? He's gone. Yes, we beat him in one hit with the tank. And that is going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would do me a big favour. And, I mean, yeah, it's the end. And we took Sonic down. He is definitely never going to come back. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.